Hi, Gunners. I'm a little out of breath, and this is my happy birthday to me. I just got a sugar cane machine, a juicer. But I'm gonna tell you guys, I should have done this like 2 years ago, because I've been growing sugar canes for like 3 years, and most of the time it goes to waste because we try to eat it, but it's not the same. But this is in Amazon. It's a little pricey. I mean, like 250 plus delivery, but that's 3 sugar canes right there, and this is how it goes. You just go through it, and then it goes in here, and then it comes out in the back. I think I'm gonna have to build like a structure so I can bolt the machine to that, because when it start getting tight, then we start dancing together in the machine. But it's not, honestly, it's not that bad. You know what I mean? Definitely, it's gonna be a workout, and I don't have to go to the gym anymore. But when you get done, it's sweat your butt off. And you know, and this is the part that is hard, since it's not bolted to the structure, then it kind of makes it hard here and there. You're gonna have to put your full power to it. A little bit more than all power. And then we start dancing. But anyways, you guys get the idea. When I bolted to the, I think I'm gonna make something like with wood that you can bolt it really good, and that will work better. But I just want you guys to see how it works, literally. Then you just open here, and here you go. It comes out of here, and it comes even with the filter, so nothing goes in there. And I just been doing this because it's not level. But this is like 3 sugar canes, and we have this thing almost full. But I'm excited. So I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna put some ice, and I'm gonna drink my guarapo, Cuban style. See you guys in the next video. Sugarcane juicer, guys, is a good investment. If you like fresh stuff, I would say go. Bye now. See you in the next video.